Brother Voltus serves as a member of the Ultramarines chapter during the era Indomitus. A veteran of countless wars made in the name of the Avenging Sun during the Plague Wars which beset the realm of Ultramar, this proud warrior faced the Death Guard Legion in battle alongside Brother Decimus, aiding in the Pale King's defeat. Interred within a Redemptor dreadnought, proud in his sacrifices made to his second company, the Avengers of Ultramar. During the Residius campaign, Voltus aided Lieutenant Titus in his mission to secure the Project Aurora device from the exalted sorcerer, Imura. Felling many a champion of chaos during the Battle of Demirium, whether Thousand Sun Terminator, Hellbrute, or Helldrake. Such was the wrath of Voltus that he bemoaned the absence of Magnus the Red, hoping to test his mettle against the Demon Primarch himself. Victorious over the demonic tides of Tzeentch, as Titus and his men felled Imura alongside Marneus Calgar, Voltus returned once more to his slumber, ready to combat the foes of the Imperium with renewed zeal. For there are few souls in the galaxy benefiting from bravery commensurate with Voltus, and those who find themselves down the barrel of his onslaught Gatling gun, a swift demise shall be reward for their temerity.